So here I've taken about 1 cup of almonds, and to that I've added 2 cups of piping hot water, and I'm going to let this soak for at least 5 hours. Now after 5 hours you'll see that it's very easy to peel the almonds. So just peel them and set them aside. Now once that is done, we're going to place these almonds on a dry cloth for 10 hours. And after 10 hours you'll find, or even overnight, the almonds are completely dry, and now we're just going to blitz them and not grind them. We're going to blitz them in our mixer till we get this fine almond powder. So transfer this to a bowl and set it aside. Now I've weighed the almonds and I got exactly 150 grams. So I'm going to be using 150 grams of powdered and sifted sugar and half a teaspoon of almond essence. So I'm going to transfer the almond powder and half of the powdered sugar to a bowl, and I'm just going to add the essence, and I'm going to knead this to a nice soft dough. Now you'll find that the almonds, they do not really ooze out that much of oil like cashew nuts do, so it's much easier to work with. Now add the remaining sugar and knead this dough, and it's really very easy to work with. Now I'm just going to divide this into 3 halves, and I'm going to add color to 2 of them. So I'm going to keep it as green, red and white, the Christmas colors. And then I'm just going to form small balls like this and flatten it at the base, and just put a clove, and your almond fruits, almond cherries are all ready. And this is a no cook marzipan recipe, and a no cook, it's using almonds. Many of you have requested that Akshata, can we use almonds in place of cashew nuts, and come up with the recipe. So here it is. I hope you give this a try.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.